Welcome. If you're looking to save a PowerPoint file from Dropbox directly to your device, you've come to the right place. Whether you need to access your presentation offline or want to edit it with another app, saving it from Dropbox is quick and easy. Let's walk through the updated steps to get it done in no time. First, start by opening the Dropbox app on your phone. You'll want to make sure you're signed in so you can access all your stored files. Once the app is open, look down at the bottom of your screen and tap on the Files tab. This is where all your uploaded documents and presentations are neatly organized. Next, scroll through your files to find the PowerPoint presentation you wish to save. When you spot that file, you'll see 3 dots right next to it, usually on the right side. Tap on those 3 dots to open a menu with several options. From this menu, find and select Save to Device. This option will start the process of downloading your PowerPoint file directly onto your phone or tablet. Depending on your device settings, the file will usually be saved in a folder like Downloads or Files, where you can easily locate it later. And that's it. You've successfully saved your PowerPoint file from Dropbox to your device. Now you can open it anytime without needing an internet connection, making your work or presentation prep much more flexible. Remember, saving files locally is especially useful when you're traveling or in places with spotty Wi-Fi. It gives you peace of mind knowing your important files are right at your fingertips when you need them. That's the updated, straightforward way to save a PowerPoint from Dropbox onto your phone. Give it a try the next time you need offline access, and you'll see just how simple it can be. Thanks for watching.